Admin on camera. Yeah, right here.
Yeah, I got you.
And they're taking fire from right here too. All these guys are...
Oh, there's a guy.
They're out, they're out, they're out. You're good.
Yeah, stop first.
Go ahead and move up.
Oh, there's one. There's one. Watch out. He's hit.
Yep, they're right in there, guys. Where's that coming from?
Right down there. You can't cut through.
What?
No, you can't cut through. You're not shooting through that. Yeah, we are red tape though. You want red tape?
Yeah, just keep an eye on them, man. Because they're going to start coming through here. Hey, they're coming up the trail now. Watch out. Oh, watch yourself. You saw that?
It's hit. That doesn't count. Moving up.
Go ahead, move. Whoa, watch yourself.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
Can't cut through this.
That's a hit, dude. You're hit.
Yeah, I know. I was just yelling.